Hey, what's up guys? What's up everyone?
My name is Martin and this is my daddy Regan and Ryu.
And we're back again for another unboxing and a quick review.
Quick are you?
Yeah. As you can see, our background now is different. I try to arrange the display, try to arrange the position, and then actually the position of my computer is here, so on my left, but then I
just swapped it.
So you can see from our previous videos, that our background is more like Batman display, but then now I changed the position from here to here, and so you can see right here. There you go. I mean, it's up. So anyway, yes. Today we're going to unbox the new Deathstroke by
HOTTOYS 1/6 scale collectible.
Yes, 1/6 scale HOTTOYS collectible. And of course, we have
here.
Yes.
Not here. It's a table.
Yes.
And right here, just on here.
Yes. Okay. So and then of course, we haven't uploaded yet those videos for Batman and the Joker. So we haven't uploaded that yet. So maybe later. But for now, we're just gonna show you this one first.
This one first.
This HOTTOYS Batman from ArkhamOrigins.
Batman have home.
Deathstroke. And let's open it.
Yes, that's home.
So you can see the box is different.
At home.
Deathstroke.
Yes, that's home.
Okay.
So a video game 030.
Yeah. Okay. So you can see the box is different.
Here,
So
box is different.
yes.
It's like here and here.
So there's a magnet on here, so you can open and easily
And right here.
see what's inside right away. So you can see the cast and crew, I think, here on the right side here. Yes, here, this part.
Yep.
Yes. Okay. Let's open it. So you can see.
Open it.
Yes.
Let's see.
Yes, so right here you can see the Deathstroke.
Here comes
Up.
the boom.
So I can see right away the backdrop.
A box truck.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
backdrop.
just a very simple backdrop
Yeah.
for Deathstroke.
Now you hold it.
Yes.
I need to hold it like that.
Really?
Yes, I hold it. Here, this is how
Origins.
This.
Yes, we have. No, Arkham Knight ata. I think that's Arkham Knight.
So inside of excuse me first.
Go.
So inside of this there are 3 pairs of hands and 1 extra.
And what the hell is that doing?
And then 2 grenades and
Wow!
2
Alcohol.
Real. I don't really know what these are. We're gonna find out later. There's 2 of these things.
No.
Yeah,
There's this kind of gun. There's this like gun. Like I think it's a grappling hook or something. What? I don't
And
know.
what is on here?
And the chest plate.
Yes, what's
There's
this?
interchangeable chest
And what here?
plates.
And there's like
Oh.
Okay, so let's open it first so you guys
Open it first.
So I can show it to you.
So you can see the
No.
different weapon right here.
Oh, that's hot.
So there's a lot of weapons.
Down
Yeah.
there.
So let's open it up.
Let's open it up
So
now.
you can see the manual right here.
It's on the side.
Yes. Wow.
Open this.
So this one is the belt. Yeah, it's a utility belt.
Oh,
You
this
can.
is a belt.
Be careful.
Okay,
Yeah.
see my bell.
This utility belt. So this is my favorite part. This is a
Okay, see hold
weapon,
it. You hold it,
katana
you
or
hold it.
samurai.
And
Wow.
what's the
Samurais
down?
use katana.
Sword?
Very nice.
That's what this is sword.
It's a sword. Yes.
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 And what's two?
It's a belt. It's a belt.
Belt?
Yes.
It's
And then this is his
Staff.
staff. Very nice staff. Oh, look lang.
Daddy, what does he do with those ends? Is it like a taser or something?
Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe.
Dad, this one is the fly like this.
Yes. Good job. Now you put it down now. Yes. Wow.
And then go up again.
And this one is like the case of his sword.
Sword?
Yes.
It was a sword.
Wow, look at that. And then you can put it, of course, I'm sure, on his back.
Back.
What else? Yeah, so that's the weapon. So let's get the figure.
Let's get that one, okay?
Yes.
Look
Oh.
at this.
And then, yes, you can see the.
I get it.
No need, later.
Later. Now you put it down first. You put it down first. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Like here.
What?
What is this?
Smell of rubber.
Rubber?
Nice. Yes.
It's ew.
Very
fancy.
nice. Gosh. I mean, I like the details.
Smells new. Very new.
Smell.
So
Please, I want to smell.
let's remove the plastic first. Okay.
Oh, it's good.
It's good.
It's bad.
Wow.
Very nice. And I
What's
don't
his
feel
logo?
It's a bit heavy. The base, guys, right here.
Here.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Put one
So
there.
let's put him on the stand. Wow. Very nice. Right there.
Now put down.
No, wait. It's like on.
And then, yeah. And then, of course, the interchangeable
This is a dress.
chest plate.
This are the
Smaller
full
chest
body
plate or armor. The purpose of the chest or the interchangeable chest plate is to move his arms, so he can move his arms more to the front. Yeah, to open. Oh, there's one more. Actually, there's one more.
One more what?
The extra joint.
This on here.
Yes,
Or
yes,
this.
okay.
This or this like
Yes.
This a glass.
Okay,
And
okay.
hand.
Yes,
And this, what's this?
yes. It's a joint.
And what's
It's
this?
a gun.
Oh, it's a bang bang.
Yeah, bang bang.
And
Yeah.
what's this?
Yes.
And it's what's this?
Yeah, I think it's
That's right.
this one. This part is like you can
Smoke
combine.
bomb.
And this one.
Oh,
Gabriel says smoke bomb. Grappling hook? Oh yeah, maybe that's what this one is for.
so yeah, then you can see I try to combine or put that weapon on this
Oh
gun,
no, stop it.
and then this one extra. Not sure. Okay, so let's try to change the hand. But just change his hand, the handgun, and then on the left arm, let's try to put. Yes. Okay. So yes, I think
That's all like a side belt. It's like a
side
side belt.
belt. Yeah.
This hide it.
The side belt.
I'm here.
Something like that.
We zombie.
So I'll try to push.
Kite.
Oh, it's on the other side.
Like this. And this.
This is on the other side.
Yeah. Oh.
Put down.
That
So yeah, so very quick. So just a very quick one review. So I think that's it. That's all his accessories and weapons.
Hey, there's a
Yes, yes, it's the hands, right? Yes. Say it's a lot of weapons. You know, like from samurai, handgun, and then his stuff. So yeah, you can get a lot of stuff from this figure too. And of course the hands, right? And then I think it's not the accessories, but then you can see it's all attached on his body. You can see right here,
You can
right?
get it very fast.
Yeah. So I mean, you don't need to like put them one by one, but it's already attached there. And you can see the armor. Very nice. It's a very nice figure from Articulation.
Yeah, the
Side.
articulation is smooth.
Not really. Side.
On the
Yeah. Maybe front.
yeah.
Yeah. So you can see. So of course there's a cloth. There's in his pants. It's like a stretchable fabric material, but it's. I think it's for me. Even if you cannot really like put or or do many poses on this figure. But for me, it's still nice. It's a very nice figure because yeah, the details of this Deathstroke from very video game accurate for me, colorful, shiny, like a metallic color look. Right? Yeah, I think for me it's fine. It's good to hold it too. It's good in the hand on your hands too because it's thick, it's big, so it's not a small thing. So yeah, it's and then the hands still nice. Yes, okay. So still nice. The articulation for his elbows, maybe just the shoulders not. The head is fine.
Not
The legs, you can see right there. Knees. Yeah. But at least it's tight, not really loose. How about you, Martin? What can you say about this figure?
The details are really nice. You can see those battle damage really clear. Yeah, like the slices and the details and the battle damage are so nice. And on his like on the parts that are not like with armor, there's like these gray things. They look like Aquaman's like suit. And his footprints. It's also very highly detailed. The gun, and his sword. You can see it really looks looks like a real katana and like so cool.
Yeah.
It really matches his style.
Okay.
And his articulation is good. Can do like poses like this.
Yeah, so you can move the shoulder, maybe front, a bit more front.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, so I think that's it. Just a very quick review, guys. So yeah, it's a very nice figure, guys. For me, it's a very nice.
If you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and bye guys.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out. Yeah.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Yeah.
It's very loose.
No, it's not.
Meow.